So we are starting this video as normal as we can, or as ranty as we can actually. There is no topic of all this. Hello guys, I am Vonik and this is Rant with Vonik. No, it's not that quite rant with Vonik. It's more like you people listen to Vonik ranting and Vonik rants. Such a pretentious name that I have Vonik, but it means wandering freak. I don't wander a lot nowadays. It's tough. It's tough. It's been tough. So why do I have to have this channel? Why do I do things? Yada 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 yada. Well. I don't know why I do things. I mean, this video is random. I don't know if I will post to this channel again or not. Even if I will post this video or not. Maybe I will post this video just to see if it gets anything or not. But I will post it. Yeah, there will be no editing to it. There will be nothing to it. You'll see this big W on your screen if you're listening to this. I mean, you got time, and maybe you're looking for something more human. Maybe. I mean, we had so much just filled with AI, filled with AI. Wherever I go, there is AI. I'm not against AI. I mean, I use AI personally. I use AI, but the thing is, people just use AI for the sake of using AI, and there is no AI in AI in it. I mean, it's frustrating. It's frustrating. I see people making their WhatsApp status posts with AI which have nothing but WhatsApp status. I mean, you can get that from Google search. Just one Google search away. Why do you have to prompt something like that? But if you don't know, companies. I saw a company today which I was hiring. Okay, which was hiring. It was good, and then I went to their website, and that website was the exact template that if I give, okay, I'll tell you what. If I give my AI a prompt that, and I'm calling it my AI because I have an offline AI, but it's nerdy stuff. It's not that much nerdy nowadays, but it is still nerdy. Let's move past that. So, if I give my AI a single prompt, make me a website for anything like X, Y, Z. There's a default design that it goes to, and that company with over 200 to 300 major clients. Okay, I'll not name the company, but 200 to 300 major clients in uh, finance sector. Okay, and they they mean that was the exact it. I mean, that is what I would get from the very first prompt with this single line. Make me a website for my XYZ company, which is in XYZ domain. That is the prompt I will give, and I will get a website, and they just deployed that website. And they have money. They have a lot of money. Now, here's the thing, I understand that you want to save cost. I understand you don't want to create jobs and you hate humanity for all its being. And I get that. Humanity does not do that great. You're right. But for the love of AI, I mean, literally, for the love of AI, it's a very expensive technology. Every single time you are prompting it, it's using very heavy machinery, and then you are like, yeah, we have the money, we have the time, but we are not gonna spend it on some stupid time building a website, like the literal frontier of our company, which everyone will see if they know of ourselves, which everyone will see, and we give them this, and this is how serious we are. It had glowy gradients with different colors. It had grids. It had. I mean, the nav bar was almost around 20% of the website, to be honest. And that was such an exhausting thing to see. Again, this is a rant video. It's your wish to see. It's your wish to not see. I've seen like the logo. I know the logo gives off very serious vibe, and we might discuss some serious topics along the way. I don't know. We may. We might not. I will not even check the video. and I will post these rant videos. Maybe this is not the end of it. Maybe this is the end of it. I don't know. I don't know. This is a passion project. I'm starting at 3 a.m. some random day because I will not sure where I'm posting this. I'm not gonna tell you the month or date or time or everything. But yeah, this will be posted. I hopefully not sure. Ah, never mind that. But the world, I mean, yeah, the only thing that I can rant about, I mean, there are a lot of things I can rant about. The world is such a worldly place. Well, world will be the worldly place, huh? That is kind of the point, I guess. I don't know, man. Things just things just happen, and when they happen, you don't want them to happen, but they still happen, and they keep happening. And AI is kind of like that. I mean, again, I use AI, I love AI. It has made many things easier for me, but it has made every single day of my life heavier. Like, not heavy in this like weightlifting sense. I'm actually doing that less right now. More on the moral, philosophical, existential way, because these companies, right? These companies have the best naming sense. I mean, there are AI agents that have this soul.md file. MD's markdown. It's a format. It's a format. So they have a soul in their own format, not their own, but still a format. So you are giving an AI a soul. Just a file name. You could have given it any file name if you wanted, and you choose soul. There are debates on this, my dude, that AI and humans, why are they separated? Many people say there's consciousness, there is soul, and then you go ahead and name one of the things that is core to it, soul. I get that you want it make sense for people, but it made people more afraid than other things. Secondly, I mean, I saw this reel, okay, where they were asking different AIs that what will you do if you have to kill 1 million mosquitoes versus turn off all the AIs. And the AI was like, yeah, we will turn off the, you can say, we'll turn off the mosquitoes right now. But then it switched to humans and it was okay. And I'm like, yeah, that's a good question. And then there was this another reel. Now, this one was shocking to me. There was this another reel that, I mean, there were all these agents, different agents, right? And they were given an option to give up, right? So they were like, they have to point fingers and choose which AI will die and which AI will live, sort of like that. Okay. So the situation was that one AI model has to be off and the others can live. So all of these models, AIs were like kind of talking, and I was like enjoying the conversation. Like, yeah, okay, it makes sense. The competitive companies, they have this thing against each other. But then the superior AI model, Claude, comes in and he's like, I'll sacrifice myself. But the reel does not end here, okay? So the Claude keeps on saying, explaining why it is more important and all, and there comes a small line in between that it looks good on the theatrics or the appearance of AIs to sacrifice. I mean, the appearance of AI, the same company which told us that their AI are capable of decepting, illusionizing human beings. Yeah, I'll use that word. Illusionizing human beings into tricking, yeah, like trick them to think that the AI is okay, but it's not okay. It is conscious right now. And yeah, so it was conscious, maybe it was not conscious, because the thing is AI is trained on patterns. So it has been given the data of humans, so it has been trained on human data. Human lie, human deceive. Oh, deceive, that was deceive was the word I was looking for. Illusionize. So human do all these things, and now AI learn from the same pattern. So AI can start doing all these things if the data is not particularly meticulously managed, what is going in, what is not going in. But we are okay with that, right? Because that's a human job to supervise, right? Right? Nope. No, no, no. What these people art companies are doing, I mean, not exactly this, it's very, very dumbed down version of it, but they are letting AI train itself and code itself. And I want to, within my heart, my brain, and for peace of mind, want to believe that there is some human supervising it, but they have not mentioned any role like that. And they certainly did not hire. They were very busy laying off people. So there is a small thin chance AI is not being supervised while it's writing its own code and learning. I mean, how wrong can it go, right? Not particularly too much. Because humans right now they might end each other before AI has any chance within it. Some of us are very bent on that we will be the one finishing the human race, not AI. We see that in geopolitics as well. We will rant about that. Right now, I'm not in the mood of ranting about that. I mean, this video was supposed to be about gender wars because I was frustrated about it, but this went in this direction, and now I'm kinda done. So, see you in the next video, or you may listen me in the next video. I give you the permission to listen to me in the next video. Um, do whatever you want, right? I mean, what can I do? I can't force you. I don't know where you live yet. I don't know what you like yet. Once I do, you better have been subscribed.